Our toy app for this lesson shows you visually how items in our recycler view get recycled. We set a different background shade of green to each item as it's created, along with saving an integer ViewHolder instance, so you can see the order in which each item was created. We use one of the views to show the index in the underlying data source. Cool stuff! You can see that recycling in practice is more complicated than our animation shows it to be, but ultimately it works in a similar way.
There are a bunch of steps to get Recycler View working at all. Rather than having you do all these steps all at once, we're going to give you an almost working bit of Recycler View code each time, and you'll fill out a single section in each exercise. This allows you to verify that each change that you've made works correctly. For these 4 steps, the app should work exactly the same at the end of each exercise. We'll begin by creating the Recycler View, then we'll add the list item layout and view holder, then we'll add the adapter, and finally we'll wire things up with the layout manager. We'll explain this as we go along.